SBI MD Setty told ET Now that the bank is awaiting the final guidelines in the ECL provisioning. He also says that LCR is helping banks.
One important and very positive thing which is happening in the bank industry now is that we are seeing a very good credit growth. I think in 22-23 has been a phenomenal year in terms of the banking credit growth, and many of the banks have witnessed a double-digit credit growth. And while the first half of the current financial year, as you know, probably would witness a lower credit growth, what was significant to note that the deposit growth rate has been a little lower than the credit growth rate. But why the capital expenditure and the government expenditure picks up and the money flow into the economy happens, we all believe that the deposit growth rate also will come back. So with that, the banks would be able to support the estimated credit growth, what is going to happen. I think
right.
That's the point which I was trying to make.
Right. But you also mentioned about how banks should utilize the opportunity of maintaining the regulatory requirements, and they will benefit from the same.
Yeah. So see, the context which I was mentioning is in terms of the liquidity coverage ratios, and while the regulatory mandate is just about 100%, most of us always create the liquidity cushions. We don't want to create a situation where the banks get into the liquidity position, and that prompts the banks to hold a little more G6, which qualify for the high quality liquid assets. And I think it's a good strategy that I see that banks across the banking industry maintain healthy LCRs. That is very important. And a bit of this excess SLR which we have been maintaining has been supporting the credit growth in the absence of the larger deposit growth rate.
Right. Sir, one of the concerns for the whole banking industry in recent days has been the new circular which is yet to come from Reserve Bank of India on expected credit loss provisionings. How much impact do you see as an industry there will be after this circular is finalized and implemented?
So as you said, it is yet to be implemented. I think we need not jump on that. But I think as Mr. Srinivasan of Federal Bank has mentioned, directionally it is a good move. I think let us see that there will be uniformity of assessment of the credit losses both in the NBFC sector as well as banking sector. That I think will be uniformly maintained.
All right.